another water problem in the mobile home. This time, it's the water heater. Okay, this connector broke, this white plastic connector. So I went out, and I'm going to have to do a shark bite again, guys. This is a Poly B on one side, on the gray side, and a PEX on the other side. Make sure you get the one that says Poly B. You can see it there in the lower right-hand corner. Now I marked my Poly B line so I know that I push my connector on far enough. It's about 1 inch. And I just push on. Make sure you use the gray side of that shark bite connector. That's the Poly B side. And then I'm going to cut a 1/2 inch PEX line, a little short little piece to make a connector. And you see I marked that as well, and I put that on there. And then I'm using a 20-inch faucet line, which one end is a PEX connector, which I just snapped on. It's got a little valve on there, and the other end is a 1/2 inch water line that you can just hand screw onto the water heater. So let's do that. We'll screw that on there. I do have a little bit of tape on there. I'm not sure if you need it or not, but now this plastic connector, it actually, when you tighten it, it'll come to a point where you'll feel it snap, and that means that you've tightened it all the way. Don't use a wrench on there, just use your hand. And then just make sure your valve is on. That's about it. So, a successful job. Thanks for joining me today on the mobile home hot water heater nightmare. Hey, don't forget, I also do music and acting and a lot of creative stuff, so check out my channel here. Got great videos from Costa Rica, music, and got some cool acting videos. And hey, subscribe to my channel, would you? And give it a like and a thumbs up. All right, take care now.